What's happening, peeps and peepettes? Welcome back to another beautiful day during this pandemic. So today I got absolutely nothing to do, so I'm just gonna go for a ride to a friend's house. And Google Maps said it's 15 minutes till I get there. And since I got nothing but time, thanks to coronavirus, that's what I'm gonna do. That'll be my mission today, just ride out there for absolutely no reason. Yeah, you guys will come with me on the journey. So it begins.
They said we stole the first song. Trapping out our bando. Not tonight. I can take you to the Nando's. Live we like. Oh, you can keep talking like Jingles. No mine, cause the view of my window. That's a vibe. I know she love my lingo.
Let's go, brother.
Now she acting like she's single. What a life, different colors, not flamingo.
I ain't playing that right. My road ends here. I'm gonna have to turn around, cross the road. Oh shit, off to a great start. Okay. I got my favorite shirt on. Shout out to Ashley. Always remember to treat yourself, you know? Alright, now we're back on track. So as you can see, I'm riding off the road because I don't want to be one of those annoying human beings that decide to stop traffic or slow it down at least just because they want to ride a bike. I'm better. Right.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah, that's a vibe, yeah. Pay attention, I could charge you for my time, yeah. Started from the ground, I landed in the sky, yeah. We ain't got no days off, that's a lie, yeah. If you think I'm doing wrong, you's a liar. Only thing you worry about if I'm on time, yeah. I can never ever show myself on time, yeah. I don't worry.
Look at that beautiful view. Just had to stop and admire it. Actually, fuck the view, I was getting monkey butt. Had to stop and release some pressure. Woo. To be honest, you don't appreciate a lot of your city and your community. Like, I'm always driving on that end, so I never see this beautiful part. I sound like a tour guide, but it's like, hey guys, how you doing? Happy pandemic. Hey, look at this. I have never seen this part. It's fucking beautiful. It's another pathway. I should have gone there. How's it going? She wasn't having it. I'll try again later. Hey, how's it going? I made some friends.
Yeah, show me some respect when you say my name.
I gotta catch up.
Yeah, I'ma shoot my shot and I got good aim. Yeah, I don't want the sex, I just want the brain.
Now we gotta hit it.
Show me a couple things.
This shit is actually exhilarating. I can't lie.
Press, bow, flex. What's next? Yo, when you feel love and I get it paid. Yeah.
I won't lie, these bumps are not helping my monkey. But fix your road, Calgary. Ow. Woo! Another downhill. Look at that man go. Alright, it's my turn. On my neck and it's all gold. And we popping big bottles, but it's all cold. Tour dates coming, hoping that it gets sold. All my niggas doing time. So I just got to the official Nose Creek Trail pit stop. So everyone comes here to ease some pressure off their buttocks, and I'm doing the same. And thanks to social distancing, I'll leave when someone else comes, and they're coming from either way, so I gotta stop upping. All right. I didn't show it, but that guy stopped. He stopped there too. He had hella monkey butt. I wasn't looking, but I know. Ha! Gay! Hey, how's it going? Okay, I know you see all these people passing me, but we're not in a race, okay? Otherwise I'll be dusting them. I'm like Usain Bolt on a bike. Imagine that, that's actually fucking fast, mate.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
Alright, part we all love best. Uphill.
Shoot my shot and I got good aim. Yeah, I don't want the sex, I just want your brain. Smart girl, show me
this
things. Yeah, check, bench, press, bonus, next. Yeah, when you feel love and I get it paid. Yeah, I'ma shoot my shot and I got good aim. I'ma shoot my shot and I got good aim.
I better be able to dunk like fucking Zach Levine after this. You can't understand what I just said. Couple more kilometers to go. We move. We move. We move. Okay. Okay. Almost there.
Yeah, woke up this morning, I feel like money. Shit, I feel clean. White watch jeans, white polo tee unbuttoned. Hop in the whip, looking for keys. Good thing that shit push button. I gotta leave, it's 40 degrees. Shit,
I fucking made it. I just hope she has some food and drinks and a lot of electrolytes for me. I didn't pack anything. Smart.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
Leave your message after the tone.
Get out here! I just rolled my bike for an hour and you're not answering your call. Woman!
Two hours later.
Look at you now.
Hey, come on, I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Something is weird.
Okay, come in.
Oh, what if I'm loud in here?
You are loud. My God, this is worth the ride.
Now I'm probably not gonna finish this.
This little thing?
Just takes like a lot.
Oh, so cute.
No, you had too much, mate.
Are you eating them right now?
Aren't you?
No, let's get to the fucking trail already.
It's gonna get cold.
I've already packed up mine.
Josh, you're joking.
I swear to God, I actually hate eating in the car.
I'm dead.
No,
It's gonna take us 10 minutes to get there.
okay, I'll wait.
You're not.
I haven't touched my food the whole time.
I thought you were eating this whole
No.
time. Aren't you? You were crying.
No, that's because I want to get somewhere where it's like nice and comfortable to eat. I was never crying.
You were literally crying.
All I've been doing is I've been drinking my drink.
Is it lemonade?
I don't know why I said drinking my drink, like I guess eating my drink.
Okay, you hold that. And my phone.
Just putting your hand down there.
I got us rosé.
Hey, okay, oh, okay, oh, still romantic now. KFC picnic.
Would it be left or right?
It's not saying anything. It's just saying we should connect to John Lloyd. It's okay. My hands are full.
Joe, I need to know. I need to know, mate.
What is this mate shit? My hand's ashy as fuck.
No, that's just scary.
Stop the bike! Why are you still going? Like, why are you riding with one leg? Raise up your leg already. No, you won't. You're not pushing it. Oh my God, you actually got me tripping now. You're actually a horrible right partner. I was actually so confident. Fuck. Oh, that's here. You know. Just gonna finish the end of it. Ew.
Now I think about it, I don't even have to get juice and right because the way I would just hurt myself.
No, you stop thinking about it. I actually have different hands.
Do you actually do? You got the KFC.
Flasky.
Actually?
Hold on. Maybe use the trail. That could help. Look at you.
Yo, first of all, the rocket, why you just acting like with me?
You're gonna be the star of this video. Just.
Is this on me?
The sun is on you.
Yeah.
Gucci belt steady holding on my jeans. Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to the bimmer? Jigger, ain't no one messing with my cheddar. Edda, you might just need an umbrella. Ella, I may just make it. That bag secure, the whip secure. Your chick kinda cute, I just make it secure. Bottles on me, got my team in the
Right back to nothing.
We might need to see ID.
You're still got ways to go.
That's right. Get back on that horse.
Show the trail who's boss. I'm actually not 100% sure. I think we're lost.
What's up, babes? Here, you can finish that.
Obama smoke weed. Look at that little walk he got.
You gotta have fun in your life. Some of y'all just need to go on and smoke some weed.
You can talk shit if you like. Make sure my goons don't hurt you. I just lit fires out of school. All I got was a goddamn break.
See, I felt that one.
You can talk shit all you like.
I got it right.
Post-ride interview, how was that? Say bye to the camera. Alright, that's a whole day of riding. Till next time, treat yourself. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, click the thumbs up button. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and I don't know about you, but I love free stuff.